It takes money to make money. If you want to expand your brand, increase sales, and grow your business fast, then you have to invest money into your marketing to make it happen. You have to invest in digital marketing. Your business should be very visible in the online world. Why? Because your potential customers have moved online, where they're actively searching for products and services. 91% of your potential customers use search engines frequently. This explains why 94% of businesses rank SEO highest with growing importance as a source of leads. Can people find you on search engines? Local search has grown 300%, from 1 billion in 2007 to 4 billion in 2013. 78% of local searches done on a smartphone result in a purchase, and on tablets, 77%. Your potential customers are now using their mobile devices on the go to search for local businesses and buy things. Is your website ready for mobile commerce? Is your website mobile responsive? 62% of companies reported an increase in sales after designing a mobile-friendly website. Global m-commerce sales reached 133 billion in 2013 and will reach 626 billion in 2018. Your customers are spending 1 in 6 minutes online on social networks. Do you have a brand presence on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, and others? Sure, you can do everything at the same time, from directing core aspects of your business, such as business development, finance, supply chain, production, marketing, and sales, right down to online marketing, web design, SEO, local, social media, PPC, online reputation management, website audit, content writing, editing, layout, graphic design, website architecture, building links, making sure that your business information is accurate and consistent on local directories and maps, monitoring reviews about your business on internet yellow pages and local directories, social media business page design on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, posting, blogging, linking, sharing, content writing, putting promos on your website and blog, on social media, Many of your competitors are already into online marketing. They already have a responsive website. They are employing SEO, local marketing, social media marketing, PPC, and ORM. They are producing, publishing, and distributing content to expand their brands. Doing exactly what they are already doing won't be of much help. You have to take your marketing up a notch higher than what your competitors are doing. You have to carefully plan your marketing budget and entrust your digital marketing to the professionals. This will allow you to focus on growing your business, keeping your sanity, and staying ahead of your competitors. Successful businesses calibrate their marketing budgets accordingly. Studies indicate that 60% of companies are planning to increase their overall marketing budgets for the year ahead. There was a 26% average increase in budgets, while 73% of these businesses increased their marketing budgets by 30%. The same study indicates that 71% of businesses have increased their digital marketing budgets. It is advised to invest at least 10% of your gross annual revenue into your strategic marketing. If you're a startup or will be launching a new product or service, it is advised to invest as much as 20 to 30% of your projected annual gross revenue to really ramp things up. Actual marketing budgets in certain industries can reach as high as 35%. Yes, it takes money to make money. Maximize your marketing budget by going with us. Expand your brand through our high-caliber services: responsive web design, SEO, local buzz, social media, PPC, online reputation management, and more. Contact us now for a free consultation on how to successfully harness your digital marketing budget today.